Hi 5th and 6th. I'm just going to run through quickly how to do the art. I'm going to send a link on Class Dojo to a YouTube video to show you how to do it as well, but just to see it in person it might help, because I don't think they show how to draw the face. So you need 2 pieces of paper. I just have sellotape glue, will do either pencil, marker, scissors and some colours. So with this page you fold it in half this way, vertically I suppose, and then you want to open it up again, right? So you've got your fold mark here. So the fold mark is going to be the top of the head, and then where it's open at the bottom, where it's not folded, will be the bottom of the head and the neck. So to draw the face, you can draw whatever face you really want once you do the eyes, similar to how I do the eyes, but I'll just give you this kind of rough idea because this can become a boy or a girl. So you do a kind of U shape, I suppose, or like that. And the hairline, you're going to kind of come across like that. The nose kind of joins into an eyebrow. It's kind of like a number 2. You come around here, down into the center and across like that. The eyes are closed for the moment, so you just do a similar shape to the face here. I'll throw in some ears, so kind of little semicircles with T's in them, and the mouth is just a smile. The neck then just coming down like that. Okay, so this can be a boy, and then I'll show you how it becomes a girl. So once you've that done, I'm just going to go over it in marker so it's kind of clear what I've drawn. Okay, so there is the person. Like I say, you can put in whatever you want. You could have a smile like this, you can make them frown, whatever you want. So that's the basic boy or girl. What you do now is to cut out the eyes. You could just, you know, pierce your scissors through and cut it out that way, but just to show you an easy way, kind of fold it in half, and then you cut like so, and then you can open it up, and that's it, kind of cut. And the same on the other side, you can fold the eye in half, cut the semicircle like so, open it up, and again it's open. So your next step, what you do is you fold back the part that you cut out. You fold it back like that on both sides. Okay, and what you're going to do then is you're going to colour this in black. Okay, just be careful. You can put a piece of paper in behind it if you wish, so that you're not going to get it on the rest of your stuff, the rest of your picture. So I put a piece of paper here, and then I colour in the semicircle that I folded back. I'll do it on the other side. Okay, then what you do when that's all coloured in, take this away, you get your scissors and this black semicircle you've coloured in, you're cutting down to the fold line as many times as you want. These are becoming the eyelashes. So okay, so there's my eyelashes. Okay, then fold them back so you can see them. So there's the fluttery eyelashes of my picture. So as I said, this is a boy now. You can make it a girl by kind of just drawing hair coming down from here. If you're somebody with long hair, if you're somebody with short, you know, bob hair, you can come in here. Okay, you can give the ears earrings if you wish. You can give the nose a nose ring if you wish. It's up to you. That's what it's all about. So there's the art. So it was a boy, like I say, and you just draw in the hair at the sides to make it a girl. You can colour them in, obviously, but how do we do the eyes? So first thing I want to do is seal this shut. I don't have glue. Glue is better if you could glue. I think some of you put stick. If you can glue here and then stick this down. I don't have glue, so I'm just going to use a little piece of sellotape and fold it to the back of it to keep them together. Okay, and same here. Okay, so now the eyes, the movable eye part. So that's the person, and then I'm going to do the movable eyes. So that's where the second page comes into play. Now we folded this one like this. We're going to swap and fold it in half like this on the more horizontal. Okay, we take it and we slide it in to in between the two pieces here. Slide it in there, so then it's in here. When I have it where I want it, kind of halfway through, I draw a black circle here and a black circle here. I take it out and I'm going to do my pupils. So I go around it this, round it like this. You can do little lines in to kind of make it look more realistic. Okay, and then it's all just about colouring it in. So I'll just do a little arrow to show that you're going to push it in like that. So I'm going to colour in the eyes now. First colour I see is green, that's fine. A bit dark possibly with the black. Anyway, so there's the green eyes. Then for the person, you can do what you want. You can do, obviously, you can go ahead and colour. I don't think I have a peach colour or skin colour or anything like that. Oh, here. Yeah, you can colour in the skin. You know, I'm doing it really roughly just to show you. You can colour in the skin. Okay, you could even give them a bit of colour on their cheeks by just doing like a little light red at the cheeks. It's up to you. I'm actually going to give mine a little necklace, a little choker. There we go. And then you can colour in the hair whatever you want. Literally can be any colour. I'm just going to do little stripes of orange because I don't have time. Okay, so then once everything's coloured in with the face and the eyes, you pop it back in, and then your character has eyes that can move around and look in every direction that they want to look because they've got movable eyes. Okay, you could draw a person, you could make this an animal if you wanted to. It's up to you completely what the bottom. The main bit is that the semicircles are cut out and folded back to create the eyelashes, and that this part moves in and out around. So that's your movable eye art for Friday. Hopefully you send pictures of yours or little videos even. Thank you, bye.